Elevator maintenance contracts are built to be confusing, but not Auditmate safe maintenance agreements. Elevator industry contracts are designed to protect the vendor and are riddled with vague and squishy language around maintenance frequency, work hours, response times, and coverage. What does periodic maintenance even mean? What does obsolescence include? Whatever your vendor says they're doing, it's not very comforting, right? Many customers have tried to avoid these issues by hiring traditional consulting companies to write custom elevator maintenance agreements. Unfortunately, a typical consultant contract is often so complex and lengthy that they become unmanageable and offer little real transparency. You're buying a lot of jargon with little accountability, and then you're left holding the bag to determine whether compliance is actually occurring or not. The result is standard manufacturer's contracts have no minimum maintenance requirements and offer little recourse, where consulting contracts are typically only see a 50% completion rate. So in the end, you're just left frustrated and you're still not getting what you need: actual elevator maintenance and knowledge that it is being completed. Auditmate safe maintenance contracts are the only elevator maintenance contracts that clearly require a measurable scope of work, require vendor transparency, and ensure enforceability. We have eliminated all vendor loopholes, removed all confusing language. All safe maintenance contracts include specified maintenance schedules, including minimum frequency, defined coverage and tasks, and duration. Specified callback response times. Specified repair coverage and obsolescence language. And specific language designed to reduce your out-of-contract costs. What makes safe maintenance agreements special and separates us from the pack is that they are enforceable, with clearly defined liquidated damages clauses for non-performance. So, how do we achieve these enforceable results? First, Auditmate agreements require full transparency on all activities, which means mechanic check-in and check-out times, a detailed description in work, and all other relevant data must be provided to Auditmate. Second, this data is fed into our CARE software. We compare all vendor data against the contract requirements. If the vendor does not complete the work required by the contract, you get your money back. Stop paying for maintenance that you are not receiving. With Auditmate safe maintenance agreements coupled with Auditmate Care, you will know with certainty whether maintenance is being performed, and you have the tools to enforce the agreement. You will get what you are paying for.